you're going to start in a Charlier, and you want to have about 3/4 of the deck, like so. And then with your index finger, oops, so unprofessional. So with your index, you're going to push upwards, like so. Put the pack back on, and what it looks like with the pack, you're going to push up, and then with your thumb, you're going to push down, like so, and then you should have a card face up. Now, this is the tricky part. You're going to use your thumb and put your thumb about around right here on the bottom right corner, around here. And it helps if you push forward, because that's going to help this spin go around. So push up, push down, and then with your thumb, you're going to go up. So go up, and then arch it, sort of swivel it. It helps if you use your wrist, like rotate it, like so. And also using gravity helps as well. So whenever I do it, I usually rotate it like so. And then if this card didn't spin all the way, I would move my wrist down. So go out, and then use your wrist. And then if it doesn't spin, just have it like right here. But have a good grip on the Charlier grip, I guess. It's a little bit difficult to explain, but hopefully if you just watch, you'll get it. So, all right. So one more time, push up your thumb, and then put your thumb in the bottom right corner, and then push up, swivel it, and then use your wrist, like so. That is the tutorial of Helios.